Welcome to Wild Horse Wednesdays at Gateway Bronco. In this episode, we take a look at Station 1 of our assembly line. This is where we build our rolling chassis. We start with a freshly powder-coated frame. Next, we add our differential with Eaton's E-Locker or TrueTrack technology inside. Then comes a brand new Generation 3 Coyote with 10-speed automatic from Ford Performance, all controlled by Ford Electronics. Now, we were the world's first to perform this integration into a Bronco. As a part of this station, hundreds of inspection checkpoints are performed by not one but two people to ensure quality. Well, next week, we describe what happens as we marry the body onto the chassis. If you'd like to learn more about our innovative approaches or proprietary designs, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining Wild Horse Wednesdays at Gateway Bronco.